What's up, good people? Welcome back to Seeds of B&G. All right, we're out here Saturday morning trying to prep a little bit for the farm tour that's coming today. I don't know how many kids it's going to be, but we're going to make sure we get it the best that we can, although they're coming during the fall. But we're going to take them out, go around the garden, talk about the garden a little bit. I'm going to clean up the equipment, spray it down once we get done with our chores this morning. And we're going to put fresh shavings inside the chicken coop, put some hay into the chicken run. Some of this is our normal chores and stuff, but we just want to make sure that it's kind of nice and fresh for the farm tour. Need to move the chicken tractor this way, get them towards the processing station, which is going to be behind the house. I believe that's where we're going to do the chicken processing at. AJ, grab some food for the chicks. I don't know if we can call them chicks anymore. For the meat birds, grab their food. So we're going to feed them. We need to go down and try to repair the pig house again. I bought some 4-foot rebar that I'm going to hopefully get their house back upright and then put the rebar on the side, because the way that they're knocking down the pig house is pretty much scratching their backs or their sides on this corner post here that we see kind of kents it that way. So hopefully I can get the rebar in the ground. I got 4 or 5 pieces of it. Run that down into the ground about a foot, and hopefully that'll stop the whole shelter from moving left to right or falling over like that. Need to top off all the water this morning. It rained a little bit yesterday. This is not leaving any foot kind of sinkholes, so I don't know. Actually, I rode the tractor across it as well, and it didn't go down. But I'm not sure if we're going to be able to put down any of the fabric today. But we do have our 13 by 108 foot fabric cloth. I got 6 of them to put down. I need to get the trellis up that's right here, but I don't know if that ground is too soft to pull the tractor on, because I'm gonna try to use the front of the bucket to pull those stakes, the T-posts, straight up. Hopefully that works out well, and we're able to get to that today. But this is it. We're gonna start our chores this morning. Try to get done, try to get relaxed. Alicia's setting up a station up here on the porch where the kids can put some soil in a pot and plant one of the fall seeds, and take that with them. Should be good to go. See what we can get done. It's a little bit chilly this morning, but you know how we say around here, we gotta get it done. So I'll catch y'all in a little bit, maybe bring y'all along for a little bit of progress as we're getting on. Once the kids get here, I probably won't be in their faces with the camera, but I might try to get some shots from a distance. All right, guys, we're over here at the chicken coop. Alicia's not been out doing something, but AJ is over here sweeping out the chicken coop as we get ready to put fresh shavings in here. And I'm about to spread a bale of hay or half a bale of hay or whatever I can in the actual chicken run here. So bear with me as we get that going. Now AJ spreading around the pine shavings. I think it's pine shavings I got this time. Yep, pine shavings. It's good. They'll
kick it around.
They'll kick it around. So close it and lock it. might need. What you think? You think we need 2?
I think it's fine. It covered like the whole bottom.
All right, good people. Came out here to the coop. Got some hay spread all around. Shook this food to kind of bring everything back to the front. Probably need to grab another couple bags of food tomorrow. The food right now is probably right here, so a couple bags will be 100 pounds. Bring that back up. That should be good for probably a month. Spread some hay around in here, topped off the water, and they should be good in here. I think I like this hay coming in as a bottom in here. I think the hay's like $7 or $8 a bale, and there should be some really good bedding. What I want to do with the coop is widen it out a little bit. So put some more posts in, either going out towards the chicken tractor, or take it that way. Take it another 12 feet this way and put another coop on the side. That's what I might do. The next chickens that I get might be New Hampshire Reds. Is a self-sustaining group, which means they would have their own rooster, they would have their own hens, and what I'll do is allow them to sit on some of their eggs, or maybe even grab some of the eggs and incubate them to where we're able to grow our own meat bird, and we're not getting kind of this special cross that grows really fast, to where we could just grab 6 or so out of that next group, and we could just continuously have our own meat birds. The goal is self-sustainment, so whatever we could get ourselves after we maybe do a couple more pig groups of pigs. Maybe the goal is to, hey, get our own female pig, our own sow, and just breed her and keep some piglets out of that group for our own meat. I think pigs give birth upwards of 6 to 13 babies or piglets, so we could sell some of those as well as keep a few for our meat. I don't think we're supposed to breed them back to each other, so the goal is to always kind of bring in a different boar. But that's the goal. Like I said, let me get back to, I'll go off on different plans. So water's changed. Food, as you can see, is kind of brought to the end here. Hay's down, and we'll let them out. There to go. We need to get the staple gun.
Oh yeah.
And come back and staple these in. But AJ and I built this chicken coop. I don't know if y'all chicken run. If y'all remember the first days, we kind of framed it, and then we got out here and kind of did it ourselves. The top is kind of droopy, but it's held strong for over a year or two. So not too shoddy of a job. We haven't had any varmints or critters try to get in and get them. We have had chickens escape, but that's because I've ran into the backside with the lawnmower attachment that was on the bottom of the tractor, or I may have hit it with the front of the bucket, and it pulled the what do you call this? The chicken wire away. But all right, for the next thing that we need to do, as you see, they're in here scratching around, kicking this stuff around, trying to figure out if there's any food or something they can find down there. That's actually pretty funny to watch. But I do like having this base in here. I like that. I might actually make it a little bit thicker, but I need to see how much the pig pen is going to take. So, all right, we'll make it happen. I'm rambling. Let me get back to y'all in a second. All right, guys, back down here to the chickens. Big Bubba here just got himself shocked. He about to get shocked too, hanging around that one.
Back down here with the chickens.
Oh, that's just funny. We're back down here to the pigs. All right, made it back down here to the pigs. We're gonna put some hay down in here, and as you see, the wood here, they scratched their back on this corner post. So what I'm gonna do is move everything back this way, and I'm gonna drive in some rebar on the side over here. Hopefully that'll stop the whole structure from moving off to the side and then being able to kind of offset it like this. As we see, it rained real hard last night. Everything's wet and stinky out here, and in there is fairly dry. So it's still serving its purpose, but I need them to stop daggone moving it. I want to get one of those metal structures. I think they're called like porter hut or something like that, but can't get them down here to the to North Carolina from, I believe they're in like Iowa or somewhere, but the hut itself costs like $400 and the shipping costs $1,600. So that's out of the question. It doesn't make sense. Try to get like a group purchase going on, unless I become, y'all know me, I'll become a daggone reseller. I'll buy a bunch of them and sell them to make up the shipping. That might be the course of action. I don't know. But all right, we're about to get to work. See if I can get in here and make this happen. Remove the pig feeder. Put it on some pallets this time so they can't root up under it. They was rooting up under it over here on this side. So we moved it over here. They're fighting over it. We got some hay down in the pig pen. May put down another bale or so, though they might spread this around. I might just keep the extra 2 bales that I have to fix this up once they pound it in the ground and walk it in and stuff like that. We need water. We need to make sure that their water is good and see how the water thing is up under, or the electricity is under that.
Yeah.
We need to see if we can get it back around the edge. I guess it don't really matter. It's fine. Oh man, this failed. Did you see that?
Yeah.
All right, let me see if I can get this nice and tight. Still good to go there. This shouldn't go nowhere. Alright guys, we're trying to get as much done as we can today. We need to take up this trellis system, so we have to come up with a creative way to pull up the T-post, which as you can see is buried in about 2 feet. Got this little chain from the Target that was hanging our steel target, and we should be good to go with that. So bear with me. All right, good people. It's about 11:25. We was able to get out here and get the trellis up. Come, we're going to the compost. Yeah, no, you helping? Look at that. She didn't even want to help in the compost. We got the trellis up. We have it over against the fence right now, just kind of out of the way. We was gonna try to put down one roll of the fabric cloth going the long way, but it's a little bit too windy, as y'all can tell, and that's a struggle trying to fight something that's catching the wind like that. This one's 13. It's 13 feet wide by 108 feet long. So we really want a nice calm day where we could come out here and put that fabric down. But we should be good to go with that. We're gonna bring it down right into the corner of this light post here and take it up, and I think we'll be good to go. 13 feet wide brings us right up to the grapevine trellis here, and we should be good to go all the way down. I think I got 6 of them. We'll see how far that gets us. It should get us right there at the 75 feet. It's 100 feet long this way, so hopefully we'll be good to go. But Alicia and I, we're going to flip this compost over. She's already started, but we're going to flip this compost over, see if we can get the top on the bottom on the top. Alicia, let's start top. Yep, just like that. Start this off with just being bricks. And then put the compost out of the beds in here already. Got the chicken waste on top of it. And we got this thing really good. So let's start the heating process. We're start getting to the bottom. And that's getting old material. That's the top of it. No, it's not warm, so what we'll do is keep going. Maybe get some fresh shavings and stuff in here too. And I can start working this down. Okay. Hey Jake, you can light it. But it was just breaking. Get the torch. Something's in the blue torch. All right. Alicia and I, we was able to get the compost moved over to the other side, kind of get the grass and the first chicken waste that was down here. We got it off of the bottom, and now it's on the top, and it's fresh chicken waste and compost under this. Hopefully we can get some heat going. All right, as I said earlier, we had a tour coming through here that just wanted to check out farm life, check out homesteading. They're making their way around now. I'm gonna head down. I didn't want to get in their face with cameras and stuff, just because this is their event. They asked to come out too. So we'll get a little bit of video from afar. Alicia's showing them the rosemary. They're feeling on the soil. Just went through, talked about the wood over here. The plan for the pen. I suppose she's going to go down and talk about compost and eventually make our way around. A little group. The kids are nodding their head, the parents are nodding their head. I think that's what it's all about, just getting people in the know about what's going on here with small farm and homesteading. But that's it. Check y'all in a second.
The process is to take what you got and do what you can. So these pallets actually came from when they built our house. We saved them and we used it to make the compost. This compost is what, let's say you go to the store and you get a bag of soil to plant. We're making our own. So we don't have to go to the store to buy that bag. So we make our own. So it's time. So chicken, where your chicken's at. You pick all that out of the chicken coop and goes in here. You'll get to where it brings scraps your food. We don't throw away food.
Telling you everything you need to know.
Either the animals eat it or it goes in the compost. So everything gets saved. You have to turn it over. And eventually, you're going to see seeds coming out of here. This gets really hot, and that's what kills everything, and then you can use it. The other two are the same age.
Do they ever mate?
You can. The people that we get from, they have their own, they make 10 minutes away, and they do all the like mating and doing So the ones that the lady that sells it, she puts tags on them, but she won't really. We don't put the tag on. They do that. Let's say at our old house, that's how I started. 2 garden beds, that's it. You might say, I hate to have corn growing in a garden bed, so it's as simple as that. All right. Another option is garden bags.
Going really well, guys. Everybody's asking questions. Alicia, myself, we're trying our best to answer them the best that we can. Let them know our experience from being out here. But everything is going really well. Just demonstrated the tractor. As you see this little spot right here, kind of tilled it just a little bit just to kind of show them what tilling looks like. Went really well.
And do things like that. That's why I advise not to touch it. Everything is jack because we thought we had 10 laying here. He was a pod, like jack in the box. So we gave them jack and the other lady one.
Alrighty, just finished up the tour. They're about to go to activities. But right now, everybody's getting pictures on the tractor and the mower. Alright guys, everybody's outside. They're doing their activity. I think they're planting some kind of fall crop in the pots here. Didn't want to be in everybody's face with the camera, but they are having a good time. Everybody walked around and did their thing. Alicia gave a really good tour. We really wish that, I'm hoping that they come back when we really have everything growing in the springtime and the summertime. But all in all, this was a great day. We got out, got some stuff done this morning. But man, it was a good day. Y'all please like, comment, subscribe. Y'all come back now, you hear? Hey guys, they're wrapping up the tour and they just came in and gifted us something. Of course, my wife is in tears already.
Very kind. Oh wow. I'm speechless.